Listen to a conversation. You will listen only one time and then answer questions. In an actual test, the clock will indicate how much time you have to answer.
Did you notice the announcement about the library printers?
I did. Apparently they'll be offline for a while this afternoon.
That's terrible timing. I need to print my seminar handout before class starts.
Same here. The message said the shutdown starts at 2, but it didn't say how long it would last.
Do you think they'll finish quickly?
Hard to say. If you want to be safe, you should print it now. Or you can go to the shop across the street. It's more expensive though.
Printing now sounds smarter. I'll do it before the line gets long.
Good plan. I'll save my file and head over too.